Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite dear Archie, and today I thought we should discuss about perfumes which are on budget but which are luxury perfumes. A lot of ladies, they came back to me with from watching my previous perfume video. If you have not seen that video, please go into the I link button. You can just check that video out. In that video, I discussed about luxury perfumes, top 5 perfumes, and those luxury perfumes which were quite expensive. And a lot of ladies asked me, like, Archie, we want to try luxury perfumes but within budget. So here are my list of new perfumes which you can try and which are absolutely under budget, and those are luxury brands. So let's get started, guys. Here are my list of perfumes. Okay, so let me start with pocket perfumes. So these, as you can see, on the number 1 list, I have Tiffany & Co. I can show you the packaging. These are really small, tiny pocket perfumes, guys, and it's so affordable. You can see, right? You can see this much is the bottle. I can show you 1 second. Are you able to see? Yeah, so these are pocket perfumes. They are in trend, guys, because number 1, you don't have to break your bank balance buying these pocket perfumes, and you can try, and if it matches with your personality, with your style, you can just buy it again. So these are very handy, and whenever you go out for, like, in airports, you can keep these in your handbags, because in handbags liquids are not allowed. So it's a very small bottle, you can keep that in your handbag. It has a small spray, so I'm just trying it here. Wait for it to settle down for some time and then you can smell it. I like it. I like the Tiffany & Co. So the number 1 on my list is Tiffany & Co. So guys, talking about handy perfumes, pocket perfumes, I have another one. As you know, in my last video also I showed you one Gucci perfume, and this is the Gucci pocket perfume. I will show you if you can see. This is the bottle, Gucci Bloom. Okay, this is the bottle, and this is how it looks like. It's very cute, pinkish bottle. See, very small, tiny. Let me try it, guys. So not like other pocket perfumes, it doesn't come with a spray. It's like a traditional way of using perfume. You know how we used to use it traditionally? We just dip it like that. Okay, just wait. I have tried it here. Wow, by the way, I like its smell much better than Tiffany, guys. Gucci, I have another one also, like this small pocket perfume. Wait, I'll show you. Are you able to see? Gucci Bloom. So let me check out the smell is same or it is different. Okay, so I have tried this Gucci Bloom. It's absolute best, guys, like absolute best. It has an undertone of some lavender plus wood plus rose, which is really sexy for all my sexy ladies. Let me try with this pocket perfume of Gucci Bloom, and this is a spray. Okay, let me try it here. Oh my god, really intense perfume. It's written also, like, if you can see, Gucci Bloom, Natare di Fiori UD perfume intense. Yeah, I don't know if you are able to see, but anyways, I will have its picture different so that you can just watch it. Gucci Bloom stands out really well. I like intense perfumes. These are really intense perfumes, very long lasting, guys, and really nice smell. And Tiffany is also there, but girly smell. But when it comes to intense smell like Gucci Bloom, I think Gucci Bloom stands out. So my favorite is Gucci Bloom, guys. So next in the list of pocket perfumes, I have one more, guys. Let me show you. It's Boss, Hugo Boss The Scent Eau Toilette. Okay, I think you are it's pretty easy to see, guys. Boss. Let me try Boss. Okay, wait for it to settle down, guys. You don't have to smell right then and there, otherwise you will only smell the alcohol of it. The actual smell comes after 5-6 seconds. It's nice, guys, it's nice. So it's more of like when you are going for some really formal, wearing some formal wear or wearing some formal parties, yeah, you can go for Boss pocket perfume. These pocket perfumes are quite not that expensive as the real bottles, because these are only 30 ml, guys, and you can try this one first, and if you are satisfied with the smell, you can go and buy the bigger bottle. So in my previous video, guys, I already told how much I love Burberry perfume, and since it's quite costly, so I will show you its pocket perfume, which is here. And if you cannot purchase this one, go for pocket perfume of Burberry brand. Okay, let me show you if you are able to see Burberry. So again, a spray bottle. Now I don't have any other place to try. Let me try it here. Yeah, wait for it. This is just 30 ml. So the smell of this perfume, pocket perfume of Burberry, is the same as the smell of this bigger bottle. The only difference is it's a little lighter. Here it's more strong, it's more intense. Okay, coming back to the brands which are not so luxury, which are under budget, but they really stands out than other perfumes. I have some list of collections so that any college girl who does not earn much and still wants to, you know, smell really nice, they can make use of these perfumes. So on the list I am showing, number one is Britney Spears. This is how the bottle looks like. Okay, this is Britney Spears. I really like its smell, and it's cheap, it's affordable, it's not that costly, and it really stands out. You can try Britney Spears. I can show you this bottle. In the end also it's written. After Britney Spears, we have Aqua Rose. You can see it's Aqua Rose. Okay, so let me try this one because I got it from Marks and Spencer. This is again also like a pocket perfume, guys. You can try it out. It's Aqua Rose, and let me try it here. Wait, very nice bottle. It's under budget, you can buy it. Aqua Rose. The next one is one of my favorites on under budget, guys. This is, I think you have already, most of the ladies have already tried this one. This is really nice. It's by Davidoff, Cool Water for women. Really girly perfume and under budget for the ladies who doesn't want to spend much and still want a regular everyday perfume. This really stands out for me, guys. You can have Davidoff. Try this one. So yeah, I'll try it still for you to wait for a few minutes. Yeah, it's a very light perfume, guys. It's not that intense. It's quite light perfume, and it's not even that long lasting. Like after 4 hours you have to try it again. So it's not that long lasting, but it gives a very rosy kind of fragrance. It's quite girly and very light. People who doesn't like intense perfumes, go for Davidoff Cool Water. I hope you like this video, so give it a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. If you are a new visitor, welcome back to my channel. This is Dear Archie. I came up with lots of fun videos, fashion videos, makeup videos, and whatever interests me, right? So see you next time. Bye bye.